Hi, welcome to Brixbull. In this video, we are going to learn how to connect your social media accounts with our Smart Social. So let's get started. Once you are logged into your account, then you have to go to Smart Social. In our Smart Social, there is an option of accounts in the navigation bar. Once you click the accounts, you will see these two options, Connect Account and Manage Accounts. So let's connect your accounts. Connect, and then you will see that all of these social media platforms will come. So now let's connect your Facebook page simply. You have to enter your Facebook password. You will see that the connected social media pages with your account now. Let's connect this one. You have successfully connected your Facebook page. You can see this. Here, this is how you can even connect all of other social media platforms with your Smart Social.